Ako ba yung gago for not wanting to wash dishes when I was already driving 2 hours sa place ng ex ko every weekend? I'm 27F and my ex 29 male has been telling people I never initiated washing the dishes at his house. He even mocked me nung sinabi I just wanted to be babied and treated like a princess that day. But here's the thing, I do cook for him kahit rest ko na sana yung weekend from my 3 jobs. And nagda-drive pa ako 2 hours sa place niya, sacrificing my weekends to watch his football games. And driving from Fairview to Makati every single week because he didn't have a car. He kept saying na he was broke and wanted us to go 50-50. But then bought himself a 300,000 bike and hiding the real price from me because baka daw mag-expect ako more from him. Lol. Hindi pa kasama doon yung emotional manipulation every time na nag-aaway kami na hindi nakikinig sa explanations and every time nakikipag-break ako. Namamanipulate niya na pag-iisipan ko if papayag ako messages, lol. Looking back, I feel like I was the one putting in all the efforts and aminado siya doon. But parang naiiba na narrative para makamove on na siya agad. Haha. I move on fast after our breakup but sometimes I still wonder, ako ba yung gago for not wanting to wash his dishes on top of everything else I was doing? Girl, may problema na talaga kayo sa relationship nyo.